We're Care and Repair Cymru. We help older people to live more independent lives in their own homes. If you have sight or hearing loss, have survived a stroke, or are living with dementia, our specialist managing better service is here to help you. We can help make your home as safe as it can be by adapting it to minimise the risk of harm. Falls or accidents around the house can be prevented by adapting your home environment. We can also help to keep you connected with your loved ones, your community and the world around you using technology. Our experienced team can fully assess your home, getting to know you and what you need to manage better. Then we'll tailor our response to your individual needs. This could mean physical adaptations to your home, support to claim all the benefits and grants you're entitled to, or linking you to advice and specialist services to give you ongoing support. Care and Repair are here to help you manage better at home. For more information, contact your local Care and Repair on 0300 111 3333 or visit www.careandrepair.org.uk.